Yeah, yeah. Line them up. Colorful shells. Let's crack 'em, huh? What's inside the egg? What's inside? Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. What's inside the egg? Big surprise. Pop that top, let's see what's hiding inside. What's inside the egg? Say it loud. Turn it, twist it, open it now. What's inside the egg? 3, 2, 1. Wow. First egg shiny, red and round. Give it one shake, hear that sound. Twist that cap, lift that lid. Tiny blue car, zoom for the kids. Wheels go fast, across the floor. Park it by the couch, then we want more. Next egg on, specks of gold. Feels kinda light, but the shell real cold. Pop it open, little green ring. Dino on top, raw that bling. Stick on a finger, stomp that ground. Dino dance party, jump all around. What's inside the egg? What's inside? Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. What's inside the egg? Big surprise. Pop that top, let's see what's hiding inside. What's inside the egg? Say it loud. Turn it, twist it, open it now. What's inside the egg? 3, 2, 1. Wow. Spotted egg, purple and white. Feels like slime. Yeah, that's right. Crack that cap, stretch, go squish. Glittery goo like a galaxy dish. Pull, roll, poke, shape a star. Stick it back in, we a slime superstar. Next egg tiny, yellow, bright. No sound when I shake, but it feels just right. Twist real slow, careful don't drop. Mini robot, head go bop. Walks 2 steps, then lights go blink. Robot salute, makes you think. Last big egg, blue with green. Biggest one yet, king of the scene. Both hands on it, everybody count. 3, 2, 1. Big reveal, no doubt. Superhero figure, cape so long. Stands on the table, feeling strong. 1 egg, 2 egg. Line them in a row. Car ring slime, robot in the show. Superheroes in a garden, all the crew. Every little shell holds something new. Shake, twist, open, hear that crowd. Surprise after surprise. We all shout loud. What's inside the egg? What's inside? Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. What's inside the egg? Big surprise. Pop that top, let's see what's hiding inside. What's inside the egg? Say it loud. Turn it, twist it, open it now. What's inside the egg? 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Hey, Boobly crew, you know what time it is? It's Easter time, and you know what that means. It's time for the biggest egg hunt ever. But wait, these aren't regular eggs. These are math eggs.
Ouch!
That's right. Inside every egg is a math surprise. But first, we have to solve the problem. All right, Boobly crew, let's warm up. If we find 3 eggs and then find 2 more, how many eggs do we have? Now count with me. 3, 4, 5. Yes! 3 plus 2 equals 5. You found 5 Easter eggs. Great job, Boobly pals. Now it's time for round 2. I'm gonna call this one Blue Egg Subtraction. Now we found 6 jelly beans, but Hip Hop Mimi ate 2. Uh-oh. How many jelly beans are left? Let's count backwards. 6, 5, 4. Wow, the answer was 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Don't eat the math, Mimi. Now it's time for round 3. I'm gonna call this one Purple Egg Multiplication. Okay, this one's big kid math.
Yes!
There are 3 baskets, and each basket has 2 eggs. How many eggs are in total?
Okay!
2, 4, 6. Boom! Wow! The answer was 6. Now that's multiplication. 3 times 2 equals 6.
Yeah!
Yeah! Woo-hoo. Great job! Now it's time for round 4. We're gonna call this one Green Egg Division. We have 8 Easter eggs and 4 friends. If we share them equally, how many eggs does each friend get? Let's divide. 8 split into 4 groups. 1, 2. Wow! The answer is 2. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Wow, you guys are smart, Boobly Pals. Now it's time for the grand finale. The final golden egg. This is the Boobly bonus egg.
Yes!
If we found 5 eggs, then 4 more, then gave away 3, how many do we have left? Let's walk through it. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 9 minus 3 equals 6.
Yes!
Let's crack the egg. Boom! The answer is 6. You are officially the Easter Math Masters. Wow, great job! Now listen, remember Boobly Crew, learning is like an egg hunt. If you keep searching, you'll always find the answer. Thank you for tuning in to our Easter special edition of Boobly's Egg Surprise. We had so much fun. Goodbye.
The egg surprise, goodbye, bye, bye. Crack a smile, wave your hands up high. We had fun, now it's time to fly. See you soon for another egg surprise. Tiny toys and big bright eyes, little gasps and happy cries. Pack it up, it's closing time. Catch you on the next fun ride. It's the egg surprise, goodbye, bye, bye. Crack a smile, wave your hands up high. We had fun, now it's time to fly. See you soon for another egg surprise. Hey!
Wait, one more thing. If you want to hear more great music from the Hip Hop Boobly Show, check us out on all digital platforms. Just search Hip Hop Boobly Show, stream our music, sing along, and dance at home. And remember, every day is better when you're learning. So I hope you have a Hip Hop Boobly time and keep learning. Goodbye.